Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel VBA series that is running into my channel. So friends, I am basically working on showing you the brief details about the loops. So make sure to watch the all videos of this series to understand and learn more about this Visual Basic for application in Microsoft Excel. So today we are going to learn about the for each loops that will be for each worksheet in Workbooks, right? So let's get back to the Visual Basic editor by going through Developer and Visual Basic. Insert a new module where we are going to use our code. So basically I am going to write a code and show you that will loop through all worksheets in a workbook, and it will unprotect each sheet if the worksheet is protected, and you must type the accurate password in your code, right? So watch this carefully. Sub, now I am naming it as for each sheet into workbook, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Here at first, as usual, we need our variable by using dim ws as worksheet. Select the worksheet from the drop down menu, hit the enter button, come to the next line. Now we are going to use the for each loop here. For each ws in worksheets, hit the enter button, press the tab button to indent your code, type ws dot, here select unprotect from the drop down menu. Now in double quote you must enter your correct password what you have used to protect your worksheet, right? So I am typing 1234 as my password, hit enter, come to the next line of for, unindent your code, type next ws, hit the enter button. Now your code has been completed successfully. Let's close this Visual Basic editor and go to the review tab to protect your sheets. I am protecting it as my password is 1234. Okay, 1234 again. So I have protected this sheet so that you can see here the option appeared as unprotect sheet. So I'm going to the developer tab and let's run that code by going through macros and clicking on that recently created VBA code. Run that code, and as we have typed our password correctly, look at here, this worksheet has been unprotected successfully. Make sure to have the password inputted correctly. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with another part of this video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and keep practicing.